In today's video, I'm going to teach you why knowing Notion makes you powerful. Notion is an all-in-one workspace that brings your notes, tasks, and databases together so you can work with clarity and control. Think of it as your single source of truth. Instead of bouncing between separate tools for writing, planning, tracking, and sharing, you set everything up in one place and let Notion shape itself around how you think. Start by consolidating your information. Move your scattered notes, to-do lists, project outlines, and reference materials into Notion. Centralizing your work means you always know where to look, and it prevents ideas from getting lost across different apps. This alone can reduce friction and keep you focused on the work instead of the tools. Next, boost your organization with databases. In Notion, databases behave like flexible spreadsheets that can hold tasks, documents, or any kind of record. Create a single master database for a project, then add different views of the same data. Use a Kanban board to track phases, a calendar to visualize deadlines, and a gallery for visual assets. You're not duplicating information, you're just looking at it from the angle that helps you make decisions faster. Lean into deep customization to shape Notion around your workflow. Unlike rigid software, Notion lets you link related information across databases, so a task can be connected to its project, a meeting note can point to the relevant document, and everything stays in context. This creates a personalized system that reflects how you work, whether you prefer a simple note hub or a complex project management setup. Use Notion to improve productivity and focus by breaking big ideas into smaller, trackable steps. Visualizing progress on a board or calendar makes your plans feel tangible and keeps procrastination at bay. Design your workspace to be calm and clear, so each session starts with intention instead of confusion. When you collaborate, Notion makes teamwork seamless. Share pages or entire workspaces, leave comments right where feedback is needed, and mention colleagues to keep discussions connected to the work. If your team uses tools like Jira, you can integrate them to streamline workflows and reduce manual updates. Finally, save time with Notion AI. It can generate drafts, summarize long pages, or rewrite text using the content you already have, adapting to your style. This is especially helpful for repetitive writing and quick recaps. Just remember to review and refine. Master these fundamentals, and Notion becomes your flexible command center for planning, creating, and collaborating with confidence.